The statement at an academic discourse is good enough to state in clear terms that Ayurveda was not considered a subtext of the Vedas, Upved, without reason. Its early exponents approached the issue of human wellness with the mindset of scholarly inquiry into the intricate details of the human body and the ailments that could impair it, but also into the ways and means of tracking those. That search took them to every possible nook and corner of the country to know the medical hubs and led them to divide the landmass into segments as per the availability of medicinal plants and categorize those segments according to the weather conditions in those places. The Charak Samhita makes it clear that the work Maharshi Charak did in this domain was very elaborate and very purposeful. Ayurveda thus was a comprehensive science of wellness in which was included a massive pharmacological study in each and every part of the ancient Indian landmass that used to be several times bigger than the India of the present day. Such a work must have taken possibly uh, centuries. Such a massive work spread all over the country must also have taken a huge manpower trained in medical botany as well as science of surveying and steeped in research methodology. All the data that such a manpower collected and collated carefully and stored meticulously also must have taken literally hundreds of years in those days without any mode of quick movement. Those teams must have moved across long distances to cover different geographical areas through sun and rain and made elaborate records of the medicinal plants and their uh, utility in healthcare. What a research project must that have been! One of the most basic requirements of any science is that an inference is never reached about anything by studying small samples, for when the object of the activity is human wellness, no risk could be taken which researching on medicinal plants and their utilitarian value in theoretical as well as practical terms. So, most logically and naturally, the researchers of those times must have worked on massive numbers of people afflicted by a similar illness and subjected them to well coordinated and well as celebrated doses of herbal medicine before arriving at any definitive finding about the nature of illness and the treatment that could set in right.